हेलो एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज मी नूरज़ार एंड यू ऑल आर वाचिंग गोहाश बेंगलुरु। आज हम लोग खड़े हैं मस्जिद नौमानी के पास, वेयर फाउंडेशन नेम उद्गम फाउंडेशन इज delivering relief material, basically ration and rice to the poor and underprivileged families. So there are a lot of ladies who've come here, standing in line, standing in queues in the mosque, and with their kids and with their families here who are standing here. We have a lot of volunteers too who are distributing the food. There's a truckload full of, you can see, relief material that's there. Half of it is already been given out to people and the rest half is got to be given out. Let us talk to a few volunteers and the person who is in charge of the whole relief camp, and let's ask them how has it been going on. So we have Mehvash here, who's been since the morning here with the truck and is, guiding the people onto taking their food and, telling people how to maintain distance and everything. Let us ask her, how difficult has it been since morning to hold this relief camp?
Actually, it's all. I mean, it's really not that difficult for us. I mean, considering what everybody else is. I mean, the reason why we're giving food and people are sort of not being able to make ends meet giving food. I mean, it's challenging because there are so many people that need it, and we're not able to support everyone. But that's really a much smaller challenge than what everyone else here is facing.
So what is your ration bag containing that you're giving?
So actually, I work for a company called Udhyam Learning Foundation. We're doing this in collaboration with another NGO called Safa. So one sec, I'll just take out a pack.
Sure. Yeah. Okay.
Got
Onions, it's got dal.
sugar, rice, chili powder, turmeric powder, soap, salt, oil, and and rice and some other things. Yeah.
All right. So that's the pack you've been giving. And how many packets have you got today, and how many have you delivered to people?
So we're giving out 400 today,
Okay.
and we're giving out 600 tomorrow.
600 tomorrow. What is your kind of mechanism that you're giving? As in, do people come and just take it, or do you have to pre-apply or something like that?
Work with a number of these small business people. They're all home traders and that sort of thing, right? So we work with them otherwise in helping them grow businesses and things like that. So we already have community connects. So we're using those connects to get to know more of the community and to like give out rations to the community in general, which is why you see people are taking more than one. So they're taking for themselves and their neighbors.
So tell me, Altamash, how much of a challenge has it been since morning to monitor people, because everyone's come in like huge crowds?
See, it's really difficult to handle them. Like, right now, it's like people are like rushing towards us. They need this kind of rations, everything. So everyone, let me tell you, all like there are people like still on roads, and even the people who are like auto drivers, car drivers, they require ration. You could see we are doing from almost like from 7 o'clock till now. We're facing a lot of problems, but still we are doing our best.
So Altamash, speaking about a lot of auto drivers and cab drivers or housemaids and stuff, how has what do you feel? How bad is the condition of India in terms of ration?
See, it's really bad. I have met the people. I have come across some people. They're literally crying in front of me. They are in need. There are also widows. Especially, they need rations right now. We can't delay. And I request our Prime Minister to please, with the government, with the tax, whatever he is having, please help us. Especially the localites and normally like drivers, the poor people and the homeless people, they have to think about it.
तो आपको क्या लगता है, आपके अड़ोस पड़ोस में सबके हालात कैसे हैं, आपके घर के हालात कैसे हैं अभी, क्योंकि लॉकडाउन हो गया है, तो आपका क्या कहना है?
बहुत तकलीफ है मैडम, खाना पानी बच्चों को बहुत तकलीफ है, इसलिए लेके जा रहे हैं आप तो आपको ये एक किट से आपका कितने दिन का गुजारा चल सकता है? एक 2-3 रोज में हो जाता है मैडम।
ये 2-3 रोज में खत्म हो जाता है?
पर ये ज्यादा है आदमियाँ
अच्छा,
से
तो आपके घर में कितने लोग रहते हैं?
5
लोग रहते हैं। और आपके घर में कितने लोग रहते हैं? 6 लोग रहते हैं। So like you saw, a lot of NGOs have come forward to help the poor people and the needy people in terms of ration and sanitizers or masks or even funds for the reason or medical kits, because of the primary reason that the government has initiated a lot of funds and has been collecting and has been giving it under a lot of schemes, but those schemes have been limited to the BPL, and a lot of ladies who come here do not have the BPL card access. But terms like this in the lockdown, a lot of people, even though those who live in apartments have been seen on the streets asking for ration. The reason being that what we're trying to say is if people staying in an apartment can have the need of a ration, then what about people who live in slums or in a lot of small households or small localities? So with that note, I'd like to sign off. This is me, Noor Zaira, with Gohash Bengaluru. Stay safe, stay at home, and also do your best at contributing into funds and relief care funds and with NGOs so that you can reach out to more. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.